Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And to this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money online using Google admob. Google admob is a platform whereby Google plays ads in your app, and when people view the ads, or when people use your app, you get paid. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to set up your Google admob account. So that's that. But before you get started, let me just give you a little hint about Google Ads. Google Ads places ads directly to your app, but there are processes which you will have to go through before that happens, and I'm going to show you how to create your ID and how to use it, how to step by step. So let's get started. Click on the get started there. Yes, okay, it's loading. So now if you already have an email, you can just place your email, but if you don't have an email, click on the create account. Let's create account for people who don't have an email yet. Maybe for starters, let's just create account. Yes, we are creating the account for starters. Click on for myself there. Yes, now just type in your name, your first name, your last name. Now click on that create a new email address instead. Yes, after you have typed your name and your last name, click on create a new Gmail address instead. Okay, let's finish this first. Yes, now let's click on create a new Gmail address instead. So it's loaded, you can see. Now let's use Rinze admob as our Gmail account. So what we're gonna do now is to just type in our password and confirm. But if you already have a Gmail account, you can just directly place it there instead of going through the stress of creating a new one. So just type in confirm your password, then click on next. This is for setting up your Gmail account if you don't have any. But this tutorial is to teach you how to set up your admob account. So now you place your phone number, your recovery email. To place your recovery email is optional, it's not necessary. To place your phone number, your recovery email, I'm going to leave that empty. Place your date of birth, and take notes. For you to have an admob account, you must be at least 18 years or above. So advise your date of birth should be 18 years and above. So click your mail and click on next. Then after you're done reading the terms and policy, when you're done, just click on I agree. Then okay, it's loading. Let's wait for it to see. We have successfully created an email. Okay, you have successfully created an email account. So now this is for the admob. To set up your country, you choose your country. As for me, I'm a Nigerian, so that's why I'm searching for Nigeria. You see, yeah, now it's there, Nigeria. So select your time zone. You just click there. Yes, click there. You see, it's the first one you see up. I'm a Lagosian, so I click Lagos. Okay, so your country billing, your country currency. So I'm looking for Nigerian naira because that's the currency we use here in Nigeria. So when you're done, this is for setting up your admob account. When you're done reading the terms and policy, just click on I've read the terms and policy and click on create account. Now when you're done reading this, just confirm yes and yes. That's if you actually want to click the yes, but I'm just gonna click the yes and yes. So here, but at this point we have created our admob account. This is just to set it up properly. So I'm gonna click on our yes and yes. Okay, see, periodically yes, occasionally survey to help Google improve this product, yes, special offers, yes, information about other Google products and services, yes. Then next to verify your account. Yeah, click on next to verify your account. Oh, okay. Let's wait while it loads. Now to receive your PIN, you place your phone number here. Enter your phone number. So I'm just gonna paste mine. Okay, I'm gonna paste mine, and mind you, I'm gonna paste mine. Okay, paste. So let's now click on receive text, continue. Oh, sorry, you have to add the country code. Sorry, +234, you have to add the country code. Then yes. Oh, I forgot to add the plus. Yeah, this is my country code for Nigeria, +234. If other countries have their different country code, so let's click on continue to get the text confirmation. So a pin will be sent to you for confirmation. So what you're going to do is that you're going to copy the pin and paste it here, and I've copied mine and pasted it to verify. Okay, so successfully your account has been created, verified successfully. So continue to admob. So now I'm going to show you some things about admob, how to create your ID so that you get ads and so on. So it's loading. Okay, it's loading. So you can see the three button by your top left.
So now click on the three button by your top left.
It's loading. Yes, let's just wait for it to load.
On the three button by your top left. Let's zoom in. Sorry, there's the three button by your top left. You click there. Yes, then you select on apps. You click on apps. Yeah, the apps. Now you click on add app. Now for every app, okay, let's just click on app. Have you published your app on Google Play Store or App Store? No, we haven't. So click on no. Then you type your app name. Let me just type Superfix as my app name. Let me use Superfix. That's my app name. So next, let's type Superfix as our app name. So next, you click on Android. Since the app you want to create is an Android app, click on Android. Then you click on add. Yeah, that's not all. Now you have to create your ad unit. Just click on the next, create an ad unit. Yes, now ad units, you have a banner ad, interstitial ad, and the rewarded ad. So we are going to create the banner, interstitial, and rewarded ad ID for this app, for the Superfix. So let's start with the banner. Click on select there. Now all you have to do is just type your name. Let's just name this banner 1. You can name it whatever you want, but I mean banner 2. Let me name mine banner 2. You can name it whatever you want. Then click on create ad unit. This banner, interstitial, and rewarded are different ads. So let's click on done. Now let's add the interstitial by clicking on add unit. I'm going to click let's create an interstitial ad unit for this app. So let's type interstitial. So to create ad unit is the same thing. Done. Let's click on done. Now lastly, we are going to create an ad unit for the rewarded. Let's click on add unit. So we'll create ad unit for the rewarded. So select. So the only thing you're going to do here is just create a name for it. Don't change anything, leave it at 1. You can see, just create the name. Let's name it rewarded 2. So rewarded 2. Don't change any other thing. I repeat, don't change anything. So now let's go save it. It's down. Now we'll just save it. Okay, we're gonna save it now. Create ad unit. Done. We're done with that. Done. So now we have successfully created our banner, interstitial, and rewarded ad units. So in our next video, I'm going to show you guys what to do with this ad unit. Stay tuned. But before that, I just remembered something. At initial, when you create your admob account, you will notice something on the screen. Let me show it to you. You will notice something on the screen. Let's just go back to the home. At initial, when you create your admob account, you're going to notice, when you scroll down, you will notice something written enabling user metrics. This will take up to like 10-20 minutes. Just log out when you create it at initial. It's enabling user matrix. Then after this is done, it's going to take like 10-20 minutes to enable user matrix. Like it's just like a setup. So after this is done, you will have to come back to complete to fill in your payment method. But before that, you're going to receive an email you're going to receive a mail in your email about the admob. Since you're set up already, you can see this confirms that your admob account has been set up. Okay, so after 10-20 minutes, you log in back to your admob account, because it takes up to 24 hours before they can approve your admob account. So after 24 hours or less than 24 hours, log in back to your admob account. So let's just log in back. It's been an hour though, but in this video it's not yet up to an hour, but I waited for an hour. So now you can see it's now red. You can see there it's still on home. You stay on home. You can see, let's let it load. Sorry, let it load. So you can see now it's on red, and they said missing payment method. Now you have to add payment method for your admob account to be approved. Yes. Now what you just have to do is to fill in this thing listed here. Whatever you asked to fill in, you're going to be asked your name. Yeah, just type in your name. Okay, your name is already there. All you have to fill in is your address. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type that right now. So we have created the banner ad unit, intersection ad unit, and rewarded ad unit. That's for your app. So those ad units you created are what you're gonna place in your app. So in our next video, I'm gonna show you how to create an app. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. Stay tuned for next video. But okay, let's just finish our payment methods. So next, when you click on next, you see it's loading. Okay, it's loading. Okay, now you can see we've just set up our payment method, and now the threshold for withdrawal is $100. The minimum withdrawal is $100. Okay, let me just show you something. Let's go back to home so I can clarify something to you. Okay, let's go back to the home page. Okay, home, it's loading. So now you can see it's no longer red. Your account is being verified. You can see now we've set up our account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our next video. Bye. And if you have any question, my group link will be on the video description below. If you have any discussion or questions you want to ask, thanks.